Walking birds. Oh well. Old man Jim, I'll see you again. Maybe not if the well runs thin. My glass is empty, but still I swim. The well runs deep, no worries within, and I say no. No, no, don't tell me no. So pour me another, and I'll keep this grin. Broke bread with the devil, so I'll pay with my sins. Old habits die hard, my patience runs thin. So don't try to feed me that bullshit again, and I say no. So no, don't tell me no. Well, I've had it up to here, Jim. Don't tell me those lies. I've heard it all before, my friend, and it comes with no surprise. I knew you was a rat, Jim, just one in disguise. The well water runs deep. I've seen it with my eyes, and I say no. So no, just tell me so. The well has run dry now, not one single last drop. I think I'll just lie here until my heart stops. I sure had my fill, leave my body to rot. So they filled up that damn hole unto the top, and I say no. So no, just let me go.